A heavy downpour accompanied by large hailstones struck around midday on March 23, 2025, causing extensive damage to crops and plantations in the village of Tangling, which falls on the Umroi constituency. Residents of Tangling expressed deep sorrow over the incident and appealed to all government authorities to extend assistance for the losses they have suffered, especially after working hard throughout the season to cultivate their crops.
Mudahnya beli gini rap sistem terba jingwan len shop upriam len gini rap gila dunong sebab pelan.